Hello and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning Series with Syed. In this episode, we will take a look at how to generate random dates between specific dates and exclude Sunday or Monday or Saturday or weekend. It depends what you want. So we will be able to exclude specific days from the generated dates. How do we do it? Let's take a look. We have two worksheets. See it and do it. See it is where I will demonstrate. Do it is where you will practice. To follow along, just download the workbook using the link in the video description. Let us begin. I already have my start date in cell C2, that is 1st Jan 2020. In cell D2, I will call today's date by pressing the shortcut on the keyboard Ctrl plus semicolon. That will get me today's date. Now, placing my selection in cell A2, I will start typing in the random function that is equal to rand. I have random between function in my view. I will use the keyboard arrow key to select it. As soon as it is highlighted, I will press tab on the keyboard to complete that function. Now in the bottom value, I will select the start date and press F4 on the keyboard to lock the selection so that it does not get changed when I drag it down. Insert comma, select the end date by clicking on D2, then press F4 on the keyboard to lock it and then close the bracket and press enter on the keyboard. I have the date, but it is in a number format. I need to change this. How do I do it? I press Ctrl and 1 on my keyboard while I have that cell selected. That will bring me the format cells dialog. From there, I will select date. And in date, I need a date with day in my view. So I will select that and click OK. I need to expand the cell width because it's not visible. I double click by placing my cursor between cell A and B on that grid line. There we go. I have my day in my view. Let me expand a little more. Now, if I drag this down, I have different random dates generated between 1st Jan and today's date. So what I will do is I will just copy this and paste it back as values. So I have Sunday here and Sunday here. So if I need to exclude only Sundays, go ahead and select this data and go to data tab and apply filter. Click on that funnel icon. Now if I just click on this and type in Sunday, because I can see Sunday there, but look what happens. It is not getting me that day name in my filter. So how do I go about filtering it? So pretty easy. All I have to do is call another function in second column. Here I will go ahead and type in weekday. That's the function I need. As soon as I see that function, I will press tab on the keyboard to complete that function. In place of serial number, the first parameter, I will supply my date cell reference and close the bracket. Now I press enter on the keyboard. By default, the weekday starts from Sunday and goes up to Saturday. So the Sunday is always denoted with number 1. Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3, and so on. Let me drag this down. Now I know that all the Sundays are referred to as number 1. In case if you're not comfortable with that, just type in 1 in random cell and holding the control key down, drag it down and go up to 7. And in the first cell, type in Sunday and drag this down. Now you know that 1 is Sunday, 2 is Monday, 3 is Tuesday, and so on. If I have to filter all the Sundays out, I will click on this filter icon and select only my Sundays, click OK and get rid of my Sundays, select both the cells and press delete on my keyboard. Now both of those dates are deleted. Now I click clear, that filter is gone. I will now go ahead and click on this drop down and say oldest to newest. That will filter away my blank cells. And you can see this one is referring to 7 because there is no value here. So let me get rid of this. So I excluded Sundays only. Now if I want to exclude Saturdays as well, I will go ahead and select all and just select 7. Now I have Saturdays in my view. I can get rid of all my Saturdays, clear the filter and click on the dates filter again, and either by oldest to newest or newest to oldest, I can do that. And you can see all my dates are now aligned properly without Saturday and Sunday in my view. This was a very quick demonstration. I'm sure this is going to be helpful when you are generating random dates between certain dates. If you have any questions or find it confusing, do not hesitate to add a comment in the section below and I'll be happy to answer them. If you haven't already, click on that little subscribe button and enable notifications to receive updates from my channel. Thank you. Stay happy, stay lovely. Until next time.